In this video, you're going to learn how to create a role mapping rule. Look at this diagram. There's an enterprise. In business view, there are two departments, Department A and Department B, and there are 5 users for each department. Assuming that A user 1 and a B user 1 are the head of the department. So, in traditional way, if we want to create a policy for each user, the number of the policy would be very large, and the configuration would be more complex. But actually, in the security view, there are only 2 roles: the super user and general user. Both of the HOD A user 1 and B user 1 are super users. The administrator may allow them to access all kinds of traffics. But for other users, they would all belong to general user, which means they can only access to limited services like web surfing or IM. So in this case, we can use role-based policy configuration instead of user-based to simplify the configuration of the file. Let's take a look at how to do it. In Object, users, all the users has been created. So now let's take a look at the role. We need to create 2 roles for this configuration. First, the general user. Let's give it a name user. And another one is super user. Just use the S user for the role name. And now we need to create the role mapping rule. In role mapping, click new, the name of the role mapping rule, and then for S user, the user would be A user 1 and B user 1. For other users, they all belongs to general user, so A user 2, A user 3, A user 4, and A user 5. And then B user 2, B user 3, B user 4, and B user 5, and then click OK. So you can see for user A user 1 and B user 1, there would be the role S user, and for A user 2, A user 3, 4, 5, and B user 2, 3, 4, 5, they would belong to role user. And that's not enough. Let's back to the local TripAdvisor server configuration, choose the role mapping rule test, and then click OK. Thank you for watching. Please visit kb.hillstonenet.com for more details in the document library.